A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. Top features include cruise control, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, heated door mirrors, and air conditioning. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.